Hey there. Welcome to the TheMindConnection YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build unshakable self-confidence that will help you in all areas of your life. If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that confidence is key. It doesn't matter what you do in life, if you don't have confidence then you're not going to get very far. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that will help you build unbreakable self-confidence so that you can achieve anything you want in life. Are you ready? Let's get started. It is said that self-confidence is the most attractive quality a person can have. And while there are many ways to build self-confidence, there is one way that is guaranteed to work: by developing indestructible self-confidence. What is indestructible self-confidence? It is unshakable belief in oneself, no matter what the circumstances. It is the kind of confidence that allows you to face any challenge and come out victorious. Indestructible self-confidence is not something that you are born with. It is something that you develop over time through learning and experience. The good news is that anyone can develop indestructible self-confidence if they are willing to put in the work. Here are 4 tips to help you develop indestructible self-confidence. 1. Be clear about what you want. The first step to developing indestructible self-confidence is to be clear about what you want. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve? When you are clear about your goals, it is easier to stay focused and motivated. 2. Develop a positive mindset. A positive mindset is essential for developing indestructible self-confidence. You need to believe in yourself and your abilities. When you have a positive mindset, you will see challenges as opportunities instead of roadblocks. 3. Take action towards your goals. It is not enough to just think positive thoughts. You also need to take action towards your goals. This means taking consistent and small steps each day to move closer to your goals. 4. Be persistent. The final key to developing indestructible self-confidence is to be persistent. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but you cannot give up. Remember why you are doing this and keep moving forward. If you follow these 4 tips, you will develop indestructible self-confidence in no time. Just remember that it takes time, effort, and consistency to develop this quality. So start today and see the amazing results for yourself.